In this multiple choice question from the given option, they are directing us to specify the correct option illustrating gas change in the blood would first lead to the urge to breathe when you hold your breath. For this, let me understand the breathing control sector of the brainstem. In the brainstem, basically the pons and medulla oblongata is having the respiratory center to control the breathing process. With this specification, we are choosing option E as a correct answer. Why? Because raised carbon dioxide concentration in the blood will force us to take the oxygen. With this specification, we are choosing option A as a correct answer after ignoring option B, C, and D to secure 4 marks. What are the points we told with this particular picture and option that we are giving as elaborative narration so that we can take the neat notes, and also to have the recap we are giving the detailed illustration. When you hold your breath, the ongoing accumulation of the carbon dioxide in your cell, in your blood and lungs will eventually irritate and trigger impulse from respiratory center part of your brain. As carbon dioxide level rise up, the body receives a signal to begin breathing, ensuring our unconscious and self-sustaining breathing. Oxygen plays a very small part in controlling respiratory rhythm. With this specification, we are choosing option A as the correct answer to secure 4 mark.